Is TradingView running very slow? You don't know how to fix it, so I'm going to show you how you can do this. So basically all you have to do, if you're on Windows, you press the key Control Shift Escape, and then you have to go here where it says Task Manager. Once you're there, you go to here where it says processes, and then here you are going to find a TradingView. You have to, in this case, if you see like that, you see the little lift, the green lift. So basically that is the problem. So you have to get rid of that. So basically you click here once you are there, and then you see all the processes as you can see here. All you have to do is you have to try to get rid of one by one. So you right click where it says efficiency mode, just click there and then you will remove. Just click there and remove, just click there and remove. I was talking with them and it seemed like this is the only way to fix this problem. So you have to go one by one. It would be nice if it could be, you know, by default, no efficiency mode, but that is the way it is. Hopefully this video was useful. If you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And if you want to keep learning about trading, go to the playlist and you will see all my videos. Thank you for watching. See you next time.